Hello dear friends, today let's learn how easy it is to add a phone number on Snapchat. Let's open Snapchat and then we're in the main menu. On the left side of the screen, there's an avatar that you can click on for more options. Click on the avatar in the upper left corner. Here we go to the main menu. Here is the name and others. Buttons. On the top right corner, we see a gear icon that needs to be click. Here we see our name, which we can change to personalize our experience. Birthday celebrations and so on. But the most important thing we can do here is add a phone number, a mobile number. Here we enter our phone number. Then press send, a code will arrive. After which, when we receive code, we confirm it and our phone number is added. Here, we have the option to choose whether or not to display our phone number to our friends, allowing them to find us with ease and convenience. Friends, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if you found this video useful. See you soon.